Functional groups you need to know in organic chemistry. First, there's alcohol. This is when a single OH is by itself connected to a carbon atom. Arene, or aromatic, is a six-member ring with staggered double bonds. It's not just a six-member ring, it has the double bonds like so. Carboxylic acid is when a double bond O is connected to a single carbon connected to a regular OH. Alkyl or alkyl halides are like double bond Cl, or whenever you see a halide in there, it's going to be that. So just remember that. Aldehyde is when it's a double bond O connected to a single hydrogen atom like so. Alkane, alkene, and alkyne are just bonds. So alkane is single, alkene is double, and alkyne is triple. The next two have to deal with nitrogen. Amine is when a nitrogen is between carbon atoms. Amide is when nitrogen is at the end or when it's connected to a double bond O. Now let's do some practice. The worksheet is in the description just so you know. The first one is OH by itself, so it's an alcohol. I see bromine, so it's a halide. It's an alkyl halide. The next one I didn't cover, but when you see a double bond O connected to just carbons, it's a ketone. Remember this. The next is nitrogen surrounded by just carbons, so it's an amine. I see another halide, so it's an alkyl halide. I would ask your teacher how to write it, because sometimes they might want chloride at the end. Another alcohol. The next one is carboxylic acid. Circle the functional groups if you need to. That's an alkyne. There's an alkene. Don't really worry about alkanes that much, unless specified. And the last one's an aldehyde. That's it. Like and subscribe for more.